In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Google Drive in a folder. This process will help you organize your files better, making it easier to find what you need. Let's dive into the steps for both the mobile app and the website. First, let's start with the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Open the Google Drive app. You will see an interface filled with your files and folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It is important to know where everything is located so you can easily find the folder you want to move. Next, locate the folder you want to move. This is the folder that you wish to place inside another folder. As you scan through your list of folders, look for the specific folder you wish to organize. This step is crucial because it ensures you are moving the correct folder, helping you keep your files organized efficiently. Once you find the folder, tap the Mic icon next to it. This icon represents the More options for that folder. Tapping it opens a menu with additional actions you can take. It is reassuring to see multiple options available, as this means you have the flexibility to manage your files how you want. Now tap Move. This action will prompt you to choose where you want to relocate the folder. You will notice a list of available folders where you can move your selection. This step is essential because it directs your chosen folder to its new location, keeping your Google Drive neat and organized. Browse to and select the destination folder. Take your time to navigate through your folders to find the perfect spot for your folder. This action helps ensure that you are placing your folder in the correct area, enhancing your organizational system for easy access in the future. Finally, tap Move to place the folder inside the selected folder. This action confirms your choice and initiates the move. You will see a notification indicating that the folder has been successfully moved. This step is vital because it confirms that your changes have been applied and your folder is now in its new location. Now, let's switch to the Google Drive website for desktop users. Go to drive.google.com and sign in. Once you are signed in, you will be greeted by your Google Drive dashboard. It offers a comprehensive view of all your files and folders, making it easy to navigate. Right-click the folder you want to move. This action opens a context menu with various options for managing your folder. Right-clicking is a quick way to access important actions without navigating through menus. Click Organize, then select Move. This sequence of clicks directs you to choose the new location for your folder. It is important to take this step carefully to ensure that you are moving the correct folder to the right destination. Select the destination folder from the list that appears. You will see a list of folders available for you to choose from. This step is crucial because it determines where your folder will be relocated. Click Move to finalize the action. This will complete the process of moving your folder. You will notice a brief loading icon while Google Drive processes your request. As an alternative method, you can also use the drag and drop feature. Open Google Drive. This interface will display all your files and folders, just like before. Drag the folder you want to move. Click and hold the folder, then move it over to the destination folder. This method is intuitive and allows for quick organization with minimal clicks. Finally, drop it onto the destination folder. Once you release the folder, it will be moved inside the destination folder. This is a fast way to manage your folders in Google Drive. Remember, you must have permission to move the folder. If you do not have the right permissions, Google Drive may create a shortcut instead of moving it. This small detail is important to ensure your organization efforts are successful. Moving a folder does not change its contents or remove any files inside it. If the folder contains many files or subfolders, it may take a few moments for the move to complete. This is perfectly normal, so don't worry. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your Google Drive and improve your productivity.